Here's how you can control how incoming calls appear when you're using other apps. So this is the display view of when you're in a app and you're currently in a call. This is the S24 Ultra. Let's get started. You'll need to be using the Samsung default dialer app right here. And once you're in there, you'll see the three dots to the top right up here. And as you tap on that one time, this menu is going to pop up for you. You'll go to settings, and under the settings section here, go to where it says call display while using apps. Again, this is only during in another app and not in the phone app itself. And you have that call coming in and you answer it, this is going to be displayed there. So if you want your screen to be covered with that person who you're talking to, go to full screen. You got small pop-up, which is going to take up at least 1/3 of your screen. And you can also keep calls in pop-up after answering the calls and keep them in the pop-up view with this switch right here, okay? And then if you want the smallest version, which is this one right there, the mini pop-up, you can also switch to that, okay? And that is that, like and sub.